Hi, I'm at the entrance of Hyde Park in Boise's North End, and I'm just going to do a walking tour so that you can see how idyllic it is. There's a lot of parked cars because it's a football Sunday, but it's a great little spot to shop and eat and just enjoy your friends. Here you can see an overview of this section of the North End. It's not the entire North End. And then here's a close-up of Hyde Park, which is Alturas to Brumback, and this one street. And as we walk through the park, Hyde Park, you'll see Goody's restaurant on the right here. They have coffee and food and really nice libations. There is a really cool toy store called Willikers. That blue house is a bike shop. And then across the street, we have Hyde Perk certified. There's a bar. There's another bar just across as well. And then restaurants right up here on the right. Lit and Company is also here on the left, as well as a Florist. And you can see that this streets kind of almost feel like you're in a foreign country. So we really like it because it just feels very cottagey and almost like we're in a little Bavarian city, because they have preserved the historic homes and buildings, and so then the shops go in there. And this is a knick-knack doodad store called Hyde Seek, and the buyer for the store slash owner buys just the greatest little things that you can imagine. And there's the 13th Street Grill across the street, and they have really good bar food. And up here, there is a whole nother block of, there's a hardware store on the left, a Mexican restaurant downstairs, and a few other shops and stores. Across the street is another restaurant that just went in. And then there's also Java. This hardware store has even handmade jewelry, which is really cool to have a hardware store that has some neat things like that. Another restaurant, and then on the left up here is this Mint building. This is kind of a knick-knacky and clothing store as well, and this Mint building is available if you have a business idea. And then there is a Sinclair on the right-hand side of the street, and then the last thing that I'm not going to show you is the Hawaiian Ice, and it's not open right now. And literally, kids are not supposed to be riding a bicycle with that much speed on the on the sidewalk. However, that happens all the time. And they were actually very polite to me. So I'm going to walk down the street so that you can get a bigger picture of Hyde Park. And then in the show notes, I'm going to make a list and show you in the show notes all the different restaurants. And then I'll take some photos. Here's some photos of some of my favorite stores, which is that Hyde Seek, Lit and Company, Certified, and Hyde Perk. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching and going on this Hyde Park tour with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like more information about this or any other Boise or Treasure Valley locations. Don't hesitate to give us a call as well. And again, our team is Be Home Idaho. Be safe, be happy, and be home.